Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute legend in the world of home audio, the Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F Dual Floorstanding Speaker Pair. If you're a true music lover, a hardcore gamer, or someone who takes their home theater seriously, this review is for you. And before we jump into all the juicy details, be sure to check out the link in the description below to grab these amazing speakers at the best possible price available right now. Don't miss out. Alright, now let's get started. What makes Klipsch RP-8000F2 so special? The RP-8000F2 is the flagship floor-standing model in Klipsch's Reference Premier line, a series known for delivering top-tier performance with state-of-the-art technology. These speakers are engineered to offer crystal-clear sound, deep powerful bass, and a wide immersive soundstage that fills any room beautifully. Whether you're watching your favorite blockbuster, blasting high-res music, or gaming competitively, these speakers bring the audio to life like no other. Build quality and design, classic meets modern. Let's talk first about the build and design, because these speakers are as much a visual statement as they are an audio powerhouse. Premium ebony wood veneer, the finish is smooth and refined, fitting seamlessly into any modern or classic home decor. Sturdy construction, these are solid speakers with a robust build that ensures durability and resonance-free sound. Tractrix Horn and copper woofers, the trademark copper woofers paired with the signature 90° x 90° Hybrid Tractrix Horn are not just about aesthetics, they're functional design elements that significantly improve sound dispersion and clarity. The sleek look combined with high-end materials make the RP-8000F2 not just speakers, but pieces of art for your living space. Sound performance, detailed breakdown. Now to the heart of the matter, the sound. 1. Dual 8-inch Cerametallic Woofers. These large woofers are made from Klipsch's patented cerametallic material, which is lightweight yet extremely rigid. This means the woofers move fast and accurately without unwanted distortion, delivering deep, punchy bass that can shake the floor but never muddles the mid or highs. Whether it's the rumble of an explosion in a movie or the subtle thump of a bass guitar in a track, the RP-8000F2 reproduces bass notes with incredible precision. 2. 90° x 90° Hybrid Tractrix Horn. This is the real magic behind the signature Klipsch sound. The Tractrix Horn design controls the dispersion of high and mid frequencies so that sound reaches your ears more directly and cleanly. What this means is clear, articulate vocals and instruments without harshness or distortion. A wider sweet spot, so the sound doesn't just vanish if you move off center. An immersive, 3D soundstage that makes you feel inside the music or movie. 3. 1-inch titanium LTS vented tweeter. The tweeter on the RP-8000F2 is designed to handle the highest frequencies with a crisp and sparkling quality. Whether it's the subtle chimes of a piano or the delicate harmonics of a violin, these tweeters capture all the details perfectly. Room-filling sound, big enough for most spaces. Unlike bookshelf speakers, floor standers like the RP-8000F2 are designed to fill larger rooms with sound effortlessly. Their big woofers and powerful drivers create a wide dynamic range, which means you get everything from quiet, nuanced passages to full-blown cinematic explosions with ease. Whether you have a dedicated theater room or just a spacious living area, these speakers will create a rich and balanced soundstage that feels natural and enveloping. Setup and compatibility. Getting these speakers set up is straightforward, and Klipsch provides all the guidance you need to optimize placement and connectivity. Amplifier recommendations. The RP-8000F2 is designed for efficiency and high sensitivity, 98 decibels, meaning it works well even with moderate power amps, but it can also shine with high-end receivers if you want to push them to the max. Bi-wiring/bi-amping options. For audiophiles who want to get the absolute best, these speakers support bi-wiring and bi-amping setups. Versatility. Whether you want to use them as a stereo pair for music or part of a 5.1 out of 7.1 surround system, they fit perfectly. Why choose Klipsch RP-8000F2 over competitors? There are plenty of premium floor-standing speakers out there, so what sets the RP-8000F2 apart? Classic Klipsch sound, known for their dynamic, detailed, and lively sound signature, Klipsch speakers are a favorite among both audiophiles and home theater buffs. Better dispersion with Hybrid Tractrix Horn. The patented horn design ensures you hear every detail no matter where you sit in the room. Power handling and sensitivity. these speakers don't require huge amps to sound great, which is excellent for most home setups. Exceptional build quality. The combination of Cerametallic woofers and premium cabinet materials results in sound purity and longevity. Value for money. Compared to ultra-high-end boutique speakers, Klipsch offers exceptional performance at a very competitive price point. Who should buy the RP-8000F? Audiophiles looking for their next upgrade. These speakers deliver clarity, depth, and precision that can satisfy the most demanding ears. Home theater enthusiasts who want immersive surround sound with crisp dialogues and thunderous effects. Gamers wanting to step up their audio game with expansive soundscapes and deep bass impact. Music lovers who want to hear their tracks exactly as the artists intended, no muddiness, no distortion. People with medium to large rooms, these speakers will fill your space without needing a subwoofer for many genres. Real user experience, what you can expect. Many users report that once they switch to the RP-8000F, they can't go back to their old speakers. The sound is so transparent and natural that it enhances every listening session. Whether it's classical music with delicate strings, hard rock with booming drums, or an action-packed movie, these speakers deliver the goods with precision, power, and emotional impact. Important tips for best performance. Room acoustics matter. To get the best out of your speakers, consider room treatment or positioning tips to minimize reflections and optimize bass response. Speaker placement. Generally, position them at least 2 to 3 feet from walls and angle them slightly toward the listening area for best imaging. Amplification. Pair them with a quality amplifier or AV receiver rated for their sensitivity and impedance to unlock their full potential. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Klipsch RP-8000F? The Klipsch Reference Premier RP-8000F floor-standing speakers are an investment in true audio quality. They combine decades of Klipsch's speaker innovation with premium materials and refined aesthetics to produce sound that's dynamic, accurate, and deeply immersive. If you want speakers that can handle everything from delicate acoustic melodies to explosive blockbuster soundtracks, while still looking fantastic in your living room, these are the speakers to get. Don't forget, grab the best deal here. If you're ready to upgrade your sound system and experience the Klipsch RP-8000F magic, click the link below to grab yours at the best price available right now. Deals like this don't last forever.